What's up, you guys? Welcome to my nighttime routine. So usually at night I start out by watching some Hulu or Netflix before I get ready to shower. After I get out of the shower, I like to use a face mask. Lately I've been using the Stevie Fox Beauty Surf Glow Dew Star face mask. I love how this face mask smells. It smells like pumpkin, and that's because it contains pumpkin puree, sugar cane, rosemary, as well as vitamin C. This mask is quite strong, so you're going to want to wash it off within 1 to 2 minutes, especially if you have sensitive skin. Lately, I have been using this mask once or twice a week to help get rid of my acne and acne scarring. After I finish my face mask, I like to brush my teeth. Then I come back upstairs to my room so I can change into my pajamas. After that is when I like to start my nighttime skincare routine. I like to start with toner, and lately I've been using the Stevie Fox Beauty Surf Glow Cactus Toner. To apply this, I'm using a reusable cotton pad. This exfoliating toner also smells really good, and it contains cactus flower extract, aloe vera leaf juice, agave extract, and tea tree oil. Moisturize my face, I am currently using this Lavender Lotion from Cosh factory that can be used on either the face or body. around my eye area, I'm using organic coconut oil, which I love so much. I also like to use the coconut oil to moisturize my lips. Once I'm done with skincare, I like to do a few stretches and yoga poses. I don't follow any type of routine for this, just whatever my body feels like it needs in the moment. Finish stretching, I crawl into bed and grab the book that I'm currently reading. Once I read a couple of chapters, I get up to turn off the light. I also like to take my hair out of a bun because I prefer to sleep with it down. Then I get nice and cozy and go to bed.